we wait.
Red Riding Hood.
Okay, where in our town? I say, if you say hello to the people, then I look when you're here.
Hello to the people then. That's what you told me to say.
Cara. No, they asked Cara because she went away.
Abby. Hi. Janine. Janine.
Yeah?
Hi.
You're off it. Yo, you get that red of it again.
Hi, Marla. Chance, yeah.
Let's why you come and tell us that bully you.
Hold on, I try on. Jesus.
Oh!
Jadina thief. Jadina thief. What thief?
Yankee! Hey, down here is so pretty. Like, I swear. That not bad. Thatch Hill River. What facts do we know about this place?
What do we know about this place? So we know that Thatch Hill River is St. Anne.
It's connected to Blue Hole for sure.
So yeah, so the same river that separates St. Anne from St. Mary, it is the same river that we have. Yeah. I can't. What am I talking about? Anywho.
Who's zipline?
You guys can see it's a big place. They can carry like a game. They do not sell food, so bring your own food.
And coal for cookie food.
And don't be like us.
Bring coal for cookie food.
Don't be these people.
It's not, believe me. It's not. And then even other extra swing. Cause I went one swing or two same way. Yeah. I went two same way. Been here for a minute. It's been here for a minute. You go kind of twirl. Yeah, man. Yep. Told the birds to make a nest and told the trees to take a rest. I don't remember that something. Where I go?
You can't ask me, you always have say it.
Are at Thatch Hill River Park. We've been here before, but we never used to vlog them time there. Park, okay. We've been here before, but we never used to vlog or do videos them time there. But I did carry video stuff, but never go on. But anyways, we just all have a fun day. We're probably not gonna talk as much as we normally do. We just all try have fun. So join in on the fun. Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah. That part.
Something tells me that somebody's supposed to be on this. So, why is somebody up on this there? Why person? No, I go nowhere. So many things going on. No. Back here. Why wasn't I recording? Two dragonfly, tiny dragonfly, making love. And Yanique panic. Watch out. I want me to tell her say sitting Kuma far. Take it off, take it off, take it off. You're not bother. Woo! The water's so good. Oh my god. What do you think?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What is that?
2 hours later. 72 hours later.
GEO. No, what I keep us now? What could have caused this behavior now? Only no give her no drinks now, you know. Little water, baby. Push him!
Another one.
Watch out!
Oh.
Stop it for me. Yes.
No, come.
Bomba! Anthony Pierce! What the money there? The Anthony Pierce! Previous to the camera, the Anthony Pierce!
Enjoy our loading game. Alright, Jordan. Why you say I never beard? Not that me take me serious.
Yes, because we drive. I went to
Mother. At this.
me.
With this. 1, 2.
B.
Somebody.
I want to get when I go up. What we can do then?
That was not forced at all. It was not forced, none at all.
Wow. Yes.
One.
Mongola. I want this.
Whoa! Bye! Bye! Where? Mongolia! I shocks me. The people are ending review interview
What kind of interview?
with the new Vice. Come with the new Vice.
Leave me alone.
Come now.
Leave me alone.
Come in and know how you just play Ludi 1 minute and the next minute your Vice gone.
Excuse me, sir.
The people them want to hear from you.
No, they can't.
What make them can't?
You know why.
So yeah, we're still there at Thatch. About after 5 now. I didn't drive, so I'm good. Cool.
Ask you to take it up afterwards.
Alright, I didn't drive, so I'm good. Long-ish, not really. To be honest, the journey from Ochi for go Mobi or Mobi for come Ochi not seem long anymore. So yeah, it's a little journey for head home, but some people still in the water right now, and we might go back in there right now too, but yeah, this is really the end of the video. Unless we go record some more stuff. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We appreciate it. We love the support. Again, we love the support. 405 subscribers and climbing. Only way is up. Only way is up. Guys, take care of yourself. Peace.